and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. So today I am going to be doing day 16 of Vlogmas. So if you have missed days 1 to 15 or any of them in between, I will have a playlist below for you to check out. But today, in today's video, I'm going to be doing tidying my daughter's bedroom, or toddler's bedroom, before Christmas. So we're going to be removing a number of toys and then just getting in at the nooks and crannies and stuff. So a little bit of a deep clean as well. So if that's something that you're interested in, let's go.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance. Come on. We're gonna dance, have a good time. Dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
So these are the toys here that we're going to be just taking out. So the first one is this Fisher Price chair. She doesn't play with this anymore, and we need this space in here for some stuff that she's going to be receiving this Christmas. Or Zany Zoo. I'm going to put this up and store it. All these things are going in storage because again, she rarely plays with it now. And we can always take it down, you know, if we think that it will benefit her. The little bike, she never really got much use out of this because it was too small for her. So we'll keep it for whenever we have a second baby, and we'll just introduce it quicker than we did. Again, this she got this for Christmas last year. Where'd the balls go? The balls from
I have to in the little door.
Alright. Shut up. So she got this for Christmas last year, and she enjoyed playing with it, but just the last few weeks we've seen that she hasn't, so we're just going to take it away. She got this for her first Christmas picnic basket. Again, it's definitely something that I recommend if you have a child that is like 1, 2. But again, the last couple of weeks she's just not interested in it. This is an attachment on something that's already in the attic. Her little like instruments and stuff here, She's really not interested in it. So we're just going to put it up for whenever we have baby number 2. And then the same with this, the Fisher Price cookie jar. She got a lot of use out of this from when she was like 9 months old. So again, this is something that we're going to put up in storage.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belts. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas, and some kind of love, my friend. I'll pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas, and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you. Oh, it's such a charm, got you up in my arm. There's nobody at the door. You said I wish this will never be over. Darling, it's time for your present. Come over here. Now it is time to get out in the snow, lighting a light with you. Choirs will sing and the joy bells will ring. Nobody loves you as much as I do. It's a wonderful feeling from floor to the ceiling. It is that time of the year, drinking hot wine by the fire. Here on our own, we got nothing to fear. It's Christmas, and some kind of love, my friend. Pick up some candy canes and hang a wreath on your door. It's Christmas, and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies in till the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how
That's it, guys. That is today's video. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you are new here, I would love if you subscribe. I put out videos every day till December 25th, possibly even beyond. And if you, in January, I'm going to be putting out Did you just pour that out? I will be doing 3 videos per week from January. So I'd love if you give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye. Bye.
Bye.